Gelato Messina was established in 2002. It was basically a very small operation, and then we turned it into what it is today. I think it represents tradition, heritage, quality, provenance. It's about finding the harmony between the artisan side and also the manufacturing side and finding the economies of scale. When you make gelato, when you heat and cool it, you need energy, cold energy. And we wanted to be doing as much as we can to be environmentally conscious, anything that you can do to limit your costs or cut your costs, to run your business more effectively. Everyone's looking for solutions in the energy space.
The client was trying to reduce the energy cost. They were anticipating an increase of electricity by double. The specific goal was they wanted to get more sustainable as they're growing their stores in all over Australia. Obviously, they wanted to be perceived as a sustainable business. The solution what we came up for this gelato site is a 100 kilowatt system based on the current electricity bill, which will save them about 134,000 kilowatt hours, which equates to about $40,000 per year.
You've got this incredible roof space and this surface area where you can just harvest energy just by doing nothing. You harvest energy from the sun. It ends up somewhere down here. We use it at the outlets. As a result, we're able to build the business. There's a cost saving there.
It turned out to be a very good project. The customer's very happy with that, and looking at that outcome, they're thinking of installing at other sites.
Ultimately, we can confidently roll forward. We can run a factory. We can operate a business and continue to grow it because of solutions like this.